Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, you are from Group 3 and the topic of our video is cookies. Let you guys enjoy! The first content that we are going to discuss is about the nature of cookies. The main ingredient that we use in cookie making is flour, sugar, fat which is butter, binding agent and rising agent. The ideal cookie texture are crispy, chewy and crunchy. The water activity of cookies should be around zero point 0.6 to zero point 0.7 and the chemical reaction that occur during the production of cookies is leavening agent, the Maillard reaction, and caramelization. Leavening agent react with acidic or moisture-containing ingredient in the dough to produce carbon dioxide gas, and the gas get trapped in the dough, causing it to rise and create a softer, more tender texture. The Maillard reaction occur when protein and sugar break down at high temperature. This not only change the appearance of your cookies, but also change the flavor and texture. And the last one is caramelization, which occur at high temperature and create a nutty caramel with a rich rum flavor.
Then, let's look at the packaging nowadays. Actually, there are many more packaging in the market, but I only took a few of them as an example. First, Ziploc pouch, a flexible plastic packaging that uses a zipper closing system. Monocartons, a single type of paperboard or cardboard material with plastic as a primary packaging. Metal tin can, the metal container is covered with an outer layer parchment paper as a primary packaging. And the last one, plastic container, a sturdy plastic tubs with lids.
Next problem, identification for paper packaging. As we all know, there are cookies on the market that are packaged using paper or boxes, and among the problems with this type of packaging is susceptibility to moisture. Paper is very sensitive to moisture. If cookies are packed in paper packaging without proper barriers or coatings, they can quickly become soggy, affecting their taste and texture. Number 2, risk of staleness. Cookies may become stale more quickly than if they were packed in materials like plastic or metal because paper does not offer a strong enough barrier against air. Number 3, oil and grease absorption. Absorption of oil and fats in cookies can result in ugly stains or affect the appearance of the packaging. And number 4, potential for crashing. Paper packaging might not provide sufficient defense against physical harm when being handled or transported, leading to broken or crumbled cookies.
Next, we will look at the problem identification in plastic packaging for cookies. The plastic packaging are fragile, meaning that it cannot protect the cookies from high physical pressure. Second, a see-through plastic will be giving a poor presentation as the broken pieces and crack of the cookie product will be visible to the consumers. Lastly, plastic packaging have a short shelf life. The airtight of plastic nature will trap moisture and make the cookies become soft and stale.
Let's move on to the alternative packaging of cookies, which is combination of tin and individual packaging. Tin packaging with packets of cookies inside can provide double protection for the cookies, as the packets can prevent the cookies from sticking together or breaking, and the tin can prevent the cookies from being exposed to air, moisture, or light. In addition, it also improves the shelf life and freshness of the cookies. Moreover, it also enhances the presentation and appeal of the cookies, as the tin can show the logo, name, and design of the cookies. Lastly, it also can be eco-friendly and recyclable, as the packets can be made of biodegradable materials and the tin can be reused or recycled.
There are many steps in processing of metal bulk for the packaging of cookies. Firstly, metal selection. It usually uses aluminium or steel. Make sure the material meets regulatory requirement for food contact. Secondly, cutting and blanking into smaller pieces. Thirdly, stamping and forming for the desired shape. Fourthly, joining and assembly using various techniques like welding, soldering, or riveting. Then, finishing and decoration include cleaning to remove any residue, polishing to create smooth and shining surface, coating to enhance durability, printing to add design, logos, ingredient information, and lastly, quality control. Each box undergo inspection to ensure it meets the required quality standard.